I think we're all a little bit confused, but at least there's some footy back tonight.
Yes, an issue not going away, I suspect, Nat. Thank you very much for that. Maddie returns now, and we're in for a wet night tonight, Maddie.
We are indeed, Alicia. It's lucky the footy is at Marvel tonight because it'll be a tough one out there in the elements, although tomorrow is looking even worse with gusty winds, rain and possible hail in Melbourne. If you are heading to the G, you're going to need more than a poncho. I'll have the full forecast after the break.
Switch on a Daikin Alira X split system with advanced streamer technology to remove more than 99% of harmful indoor air pollutants and surround yourself with cleaner air this summer. Daikin, perfecting the air.
Hello again. It's been a pretty unpleasant Friday, and although the city peaked at 12 degrees, it felt less than half that. We are in a bit of a rain shadow at the moment, but showers will ramp up in the next couple of hours. Further out, there's been 10 millimetres so far along the southwest coast, along with gale force winds, and the Grampians are under a warning for damaging winds with a gust of 93 kilometres an hour recorded at Mount William late this afternoon. They are expected to persist until tomorrow afternoon, even stronger for alpine areas, 100 kilometres an hour, with blizzard conditions lasting into the evening. For the southwest coast, ramping up to 100 from early tomorrow morning. Now, these two intense cold fronts are barrelling across the bight. Winds are strengthening as they close in, and showers and patchy rain will extend further eastwards across the state. Tomorrow will be wet and windy as well. The Gippsland coast is expected to experience abnormally high tides in the wake of this system, and flood warnings are in place for some eastern catchments. A further 20 millimetres is possible at Warrnambool, and the chance of storms along the southwest coast. Mansfield could collect up to 25 millimetres. There's the potential for small hail in the south, also the eastern ranges, and snow down to 800 metres. Temperatures will be close to average, with maximums mostly between 11 and 15 degrees, but it will be a nasty day. Here in Melbourne, totals of up to 10 and 15 millimetres are expected by midnight tonight, up to 20 along the Mornington Peninsula, and they will back off tomorrow morning with only a light shower or two before increasing again in the afternoon, heaviest through the east, and maximums will be similar to today, mostly 11 and 12 with winds of more than 50 kilometres an hour and possible hail. Geelong can expect much the same with a low of 7 and a top of 12 and a mostly dry morning in the city. Showers increasing in the afternoon, possible hail and a windy top of 12. Sunday will start off dry with showers set to return from the afternoon, a top of 15 degrees. Those showers will linger on Monday, but that is when maximums should start to improve, heading for 17. It's forecast to reach 17 on Tuesday and Wednesday. Both of those days are looking dry, but Thursday is when showers are set to return up to 10 millimetres and back down to 15 degrees. 15 on Friday as well, along with the chance of showers, but tomorrow's top of 12 won't be very nice at all, Alicia.
No, it certainly won't be, Maddie. Thank you very much for that. And that is 9 News this Friday. Deb Knight is coming up next with the current affair, and they will have more coverage on this unprecedented global cyber outage. We do hope you have a great weekend that is not affected by all of this, but from the team, for now, it's good night.